Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about 5 tips so that your husband doesn't cheat. Tip 1. Communicate effectively. Communication is key to any healthy relationship, but it's especially important if you want to prevent cheating. Make sure you and your husband are able to talk openly and honestly about your needs, wants, and expectations. If there's something that's bothering you, don't be afraid to bring it up, and be willing to listen to your husband's concerns as well. Tip 2. Be supportive and understanding. Everyone goes through ups and downs in life, and your husband is no exception. If he's feeling stressed or overwhelmed, be there for him and offer your support. Don't make him feel like he has to bottle up his emotions. Let him know that you're there for him, no matter what. Tip 3. Keep the spark alive. It's important to keep the spark alive in your relationship, even after you've been together for a long time. Make time for each other, do things that you enjoy together, and flirt with each other. Let your husband know that you're still attracted to him and that you're still interested in him. Tip 4. Be honest and trustworthy. If you want your husband to be faithful to you, you need to be faithful to him. This means being honest with him about your feelings and your actions. It also means being trustworthy. If you're going to be out with friends, let your husband know where you're going and who you're with. And don't do anything that would make him question your fidelity. Tip 5. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to keep your husband from cheating. If he loves you for who you are, he won't want to cheat on you. So be yourself and let your husband love you for the person you are. Those are just a few tips that can help you prevent your husband from cheating. Of course, there's no guarantee that he won't cheat, but if you follow these tips, you'll be giving yourself the best possible chance of a faithful relationship. Thank you for watching.